Right guys, just a little tip. Just a little tip for when you're doing putting the bearings in. Due to the 3D printing process, these holes aren't properly round, so I would advise you to use a needle file, a round needle file, pass it through, spin it around a few times, then go to the next one, then the next one, then the next one, and I've got a bit of silicone tubing on there just as a marker so that I put it in the same distance for each hole. And for putting the bearing in, I've got a long Allen key, so that's a 1.5 mil, but it's this section of it is small enough diameter to get the bearing on, a spherical bearing on, and then I put it in, line it right through, and then push it into place without straining the plastic. And this is actually a SRF sidecar chassis for the plastic track, with where the guide goes down the middle of the between in the center line of the rear wheels. So hopefully that'll help you enjoy and make your build of these brilliant sidecar outfits even more enjoyable.